One of the main features of PlantSight is reporting. The reporting system is very robust. It allows users to filter and present the data collected in PlantSight that is most beneficial to them. Today, we will be going over some of our most commonly used reports. We will start by accessing the reporting page. First, we will go to our assigned URL and log in. This will be unique to your PlantSight instance. The first report I want to show you is a report that I have created for Max Howell. Max Howell is a field engineer who works at High Point Resources. This report will show all of the punch list items that he is responsible for, no matter who created them. If you scroll to the bottom, you will see a list of saved reports. The report is named Max Howell. Let's look at this report by clicking on the link to generate the report. As you can see, Max Howell is responsible for all of these punch list items. This report also includes all of the information he would need to resolve these punch items. Let me show you how this report was created. By clicking on the Edit button, you can see all of the options I have previously selected in order to create this report. You can select the drawings you want to appear in the report. If I was creating this report again, I would want all of the drawings to appear to get all of the punch list items by Max Howell in the report. For filtering, I want Max Howell selected in the responsible party selection box. Status should have Open and Pending Final selected. All should be selected for other filtering boxes. Sorting by unit will sort the report by drawings. You can see that I've checked Show Attached Files. This is what makes the images come up on the report. Having custom reports selected gives me extra options, which we can see on the tab at the top, called Fields and Options. The selected fields have been chosen to show the data I want to appear in the report. Switching over to the report, you can see that these items are listed below each drawing. Now, let's go back and look at some more options. Scroll down and make sure Floor Plan Quality is set to High. This is the same as Drawing Quality. If I made any changes, I could save all changes by selecting Save Query. The second report I want to show you is a report that I have created for punch list items. This report will show all punch items entered within High Point Resources. Click on the link named Punch List to generate the report. As you can see, the only inspection types listed are punch list items. Let's look at how this report was created. Clicking on the Edit Criteria button again will show what options were selected to make this report. You can see that I selected punch list this time instead of all types. I've also selected all subcontractors instead of Max Howell. I wanted the photos to appear in this report as well, so I checked Show Attached Files. Having custom reports selected again, let's look at the options I chose to put in Fields and Options. These are the areas that I wanted to display for this report. If I go back to my report, you can see each of the boxes that were checked under Fields and Options appear here. Looking back at our options, make sure Floor Plan Quality, also known as Drawing Quality, is set to High, and save the query if you have made any changes. The last report we will be looking at is for exporting data to Excel. This report will show punch items and inspection items of all types. To generate this report, click on the link named Export to Excel. As you can see, there are many items, and none of them have attachments listed. The attachments are not needed for Excel. Let's go back and look at what options have been selected to make this report. Click on the Edit Criteria button at the bottom. You can see that Show Drawings and Show Attached Files are not checked for this report. We don't need the drawings or attached photos to appear if we are only exporting to Excel. With Custom Reports selected again, Fields and Options will give us more things to include in this report. All items and actions have been selected to list everything. This will provide the most data possible to export. If you go back to the report, you can see each of the boxes that were checked under Fields and Options appear here in the top row. Click on the link Produce or Email Report. This will allow us to export this data to Excel or create an email that adds this report as an attached PDF file. Click Generate Report. Fill in the necessary information in order to send this email. You can see that the report has been added as an attachment. Let's close this and go back to export this to Excel. Click Open in Excel. Let's open the file to view this report in Excel. Press Yes on the next message. We can use this data to create more charts and reports. This will conclude the training on making and editing reports for PlantSight. For more information on creating reports, get in contact with a PlantSight representative.